Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you are wondering why I am completely barefaced, then it's because I'm going to do a 10-minute makeup challenge. This is an oldie but goodie on YouTube, so I'm hoping that it gets some views and you like to see it. But I am looking for a way to use all my makeup and to have fun. I want to make good content for the little bit of people that watch, and like I said in my last video, I really want to have fun and make this quarantine self-isolation as fun as I can for myself and for you guys. So why not try a challenge? In this bag is all the makeup products for a full face. Aside from this is my chosen eyeshadow palette. So I have 10 minutes to turn this bag into a full face of makeup. I have liner, lashes. I think I'm gonna give myself a little bit of an advantage and pull this stuff out. I've never done one of these. This is new. This is exciting. There really is a lot more in here than I thought, which makes me nervous. Push this hair out of the way. Let's get a timer set. So the premise of this is to do a full face of makeup in 10 minutes, all the way down to the setting spray. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how well I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to keep this as unedited and as real as possible. So bear with me if there are some like quiet points. I really am trying, and bear with me again if I'm looking down at the mirror a lot. I really am trying to do this full face in just 10 minutes. So I'm really gonna be focused, hopefully talking to you guys, but honestly, this might be a shit show. All right, we have 9:59. Give myself 1 second off. Go. I already dropped stuff. Pause. We had an eyebrow pencil down, so let's start now. Tatcha silk canvas. Put some primer on. Gotta move as fast as I can. Oh my god. And that's just for my pores, on my nose. Gonna use the Wander Beauty Go Ahead Illuminating Face Oil for the rest of my face. Oh my god. Listen, deep down I think that I should be good at this, because quick and easy makeup in the end is really my favorite. So I'm hoping it's easy. Oh, we already had 8 minutes. 8 minutes. I'm gonna use the Peach Perfect matte foundation. All right, let's just get this on here. Uh-oh. Oh, something got in my eye. I don't have time. No time. Oh my god. I know in my last tutorial, or whatever I did last, my old makeup, I talked about not liking Too Faced. Still stands. But as I also said, it was one of my favorite brands. So I'm trying to use up what little I have left and get them out. This foundation really oxidizes on me. It gets a little orange. It's in the shade Shell, I think. Alright, that's gonna have to do. Just didn't build that up at all. Concealer. I'm gonna get that on there. Because I'm high maintenance, just a little bit more concealer. And spot conceal some areas. I'm trying to do it as like I would do a full face. Oh god. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm really concentrating here, everyone. Oh god, creasy mess. It's not as easy as it looks. I mean, it looks like I'm just blending, but the thought of only having 10 minutes is like chasing me right on my heels. Oh god. Okay. Oh my god, 6 minutes. Oh my god, 6 minutes. Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I feel like I'm getting flashbacks to like high school. Not so much wearing makeup, but like getting ready in like under 5 minutes so my mom didn't yell at me and that I didn't miss the bus. I was a notorious oversleeper. Not so much anymore. I don't even have time to put that. Okay. I gotta get something on the eyes. Jeffree Star Alien Palette. Anything. Let's set these bad boys down. How's everyone doing? Leave me comments below. How's everyone handling the quarantine? Is it changing your day to day? I'm sure it is. Tell me how, let me know. I'm gonna go in with Gravity. TEA, Gravity. Love that. And I'm sorry, I thought I would be able to do something extravagant with this palette. I was like, oh, let me put the Jeffree Star palette in there. That doesn't really make sense. And see what I could do. And then I realized that this is a lot harder than I thought. Oh, no time to blend. No time to blend. No time to blend. Blend a little bit. Blend a little bit. Oh my god, I got stuff everywhere. How much time? 3 minutes. No, I need some shimmer on my eyelid. This is no time to be selective. Interstellar. Ooh! Now doing this, I'm convinced the YouTubers I've seen do this throughout the years were lying. Bronzer. Oh, we got a gloss down. Not going on the face. It's Kylie bronzer. Shade Tequila Tan. Oh my god. I'm just messily putting this on. This flashback to when I said I'm gonna try my hardest to make it look like I would wear it out. Blush. Sephora collection. It's peachy. Oh my god. 53 seconds. I can't even talk. Mascara. girl. Was gonna do a liquid lip. No. I didn't. No. I'm actually a little sad. I was gonna put my lip gloss on. So in 10 minutes, I was able to foundation, powder, brush bronzer, highlight. I mean, the highlight is there, honey. I need a little too much. No eyebrows. The mascara, barely there. Honestly, I did not get real in depth there. Eyeshadow, so basic. So basic. I'm a little disappointed. I'm gonna be honest. I wonder if I give myself 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, what can I achieve? Go. What was I doing? Oh my god, let's just let's spray. Spray. 4-3 Beauty. Spray. What was I doing? A lip. A lip. A lip would. Oh god. I broke my lip liner. That was a Pixie lip liner. Here is a Laura Lee Los Angeles lipstick. I still don't have eyebrows on. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Elf pencil. Hey Siri. How much time's left on the timer?
3 minutes and 40 seconds to go.
Oh my god. Let's just get this eyebrow. Alright. You know, all for nothing, it's not a bad eyebrow. To be honest, my eyebrows don't normally take long anyway. I'm a very simple eyebrow lover. Great. Perfect. Revisit this. Gotta darken this up. Setting spray. Elf. Lip gloss. White Russian by Buxom. I want to revisit these lashes. I got 2 minutes left. Who am I rushing at this point? Listen, I'm not complaining. So far, this challenge, you add the extra 5 minutes, it's a whole new game. Whole new game, extra 5 minutes. 15-minute makeup challenge. Piece of cake. I'm done. I'm gonna set my face again. Simple. I got time. Clean up. Zhuzh up my hair a little bit. And just like that, I'm done. Alright everyone, that was my 10-minute makeup challenge. If you want the most basic look, it's doable. Definitely doable. A little sloppy. Not my best work, but in 10 minutes I was able to get everything on except a lip. Adding an extra 5 minutes, I was able to do a lip, eyebrows, fix on my hair, inner corner highlight, double mascara. So I really feel like adding an extra 5 minutes, easily doable. 10 minutes is very, very hard. I used to think that the people who would do this on YouTube were like pushing it or something, but it is extremely difficult to do your full face of makeup in 10 minutes. It was fun, but it was so stressful. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other suggestions or want to see me do this with a friend, I have a few who want to be featured. Let me know in the comments down below. Link me to your favorite YouTubers. Link me to your videos. I want to see you try the 10-minute challenge. Thank you to whoever started this challenge how many years ago. It's still being used and it's still fun today. So great job to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here for another video. See you in the next one. Bye.